I'm Francesca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making sheet pan nachos, and these nachos are so darn good. They're easy to make. They are fun for these warmer months, fun for the summer, a barbecue, friends, family, whoever. They're delicious. They are soy-free and gluten-free as long as you use like a corn chip, you know, just like a chip with no gluten in there. So yeah, let's hop right into this very easy and delicious recipe. The trick to any good nachos is in the cheese sauce. So we're gonna take 1 cup of any non-dairy milk, 1.5 cups of vegan cheddar shreds, and some nutritional yeast, and a little bit of chili powder for a little kick. And we're just gonna melt and mix this all up. This is gonna be a little bit on the thin side, but don't worry because it's gonna thicken while it is in the oven. So just let it come to a boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let it get a little bit thick. And yeah, don't worry. It'll thicken while it's in the oven. And it also thickens as it cools too. So now we can just make our nachos. We're gonna put a bunch of chips down on a sheet pan. And you wanna put enough to cover the whole thing. Then I put my cheese sauce into a measuring cup for easy pouring, and I am just gonna drizzle on 1 layer of this cheese. So we are gonna do a bunch of layers, and that's gonna give the nachos like lots of flavor and action and stuff going on. So you're not gonna use all your cheese sauce right now. I used about 1/2 cup to start. Then I scattered in some black beans, and I put in a few dollops of refried beans. These are black bean refried beans. I get them at Trader Joe's. Just be sure to check your refried beans that there's no like lard or anything in there and that they're definitely vegan. If you get the ones at Trader Joe's, then they are. Then I put in some shishito peppers. I've been really loving these because not every single one of them is spicy. It's like 1 in 10 are spicy, or you can use jalapeno. And then I used some corn because I like corn. And now we're gonna start our second layer. So I'm gonna put on more chips, and I really think the layering is what makes this so good. So we're gonna put on more cheese and more of all the toppings. And you can do as many layers as you like, because I knew I was just eating this like with me and like my mom. I didn't put that much in there, but you could keep building this up as much as you like. You may need a little more cheese sauce if you wanna do more layers. And yeah, so just putting in more dollops of the refried beans, the black beans, the peppers. And then I like to top the whole thing off with whatever little bit of cheese is left over. These are nachos. We want them to be really, really nice and cheesy. And I use the Daiya cutting board shreds and the Whole Foods cheese shreds. I kind of used a mixture because I had a little bit of each to use left over. And then we're gonna pop this in the oven now for about 10 minutes. I set my oven to 375, and this is just gonna help the refried beans to kind of get warmed up. The corn will warm up. Everything's gonna just warm up really nicely, and it helps the cheese to get nice and thickened. So this is it when it's all done. And then I just put some vegan sour cream on top, and I put a little bit of red cabbage because I thought it would look pretty. You don't have to do this, of course. You could also use red onion. That'd be a really great thing. You could put salsa on here. I put on some buffalo sauce because I'm just like obsessed with like hot wing buffalo sauce. Like it just tastes so good. The one from Frank's Red Hot. And then I also garnish it with some green onions and lime. But you could use cilantro, salsa, anything you like. That's the beauty of nachos. They're easy and customizable. And this is it. These are our sheet pan nachos. They're so easy to make. They're ready in like 15 minutes. They're so delicious. And I just think they are so fun for the summer, and they're just the best. And I love it because the chips get like a little bit soft, but then some of them stay a little bit crispy, and they're just so good. And then you find that like one good chip that has like kind of everything on it. Look at that. And that was our recipe. I really hope you enjoyed it. As always, the full recipe is on my blog. There is a link for that in the description box, as well as all the ingredients listed out in the description box down below, so you can get that list wherever you like it. If you like the video, you already know, like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. Helps the channel out. We are really, really close to 10K, and I am so excited for that. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.